Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine. In this occasion, I will share to you about my tasks in Teacher Olympic Day 2 Dancing in the Sky. It's about lesson plan. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Kiki Rextika Diani Putri. I am 5th grade teacher in Medawa 1 Elementary School, Kandangan, Kediri, East Java. Okay, this is my lesson plan. First, this is identity of my lesson plan. In my lesson plan, I integrated the 2013 curriculum with video in Badanamu. Okay, my school is SDN Medawa 1, Kandangan Kediri, grade 5 is semester 1, theme about animal and human movement organ. Sub-theme, environment and its benefit. In this lesson plan is about sub-theme 3. Lesson 6, time allocation is first day. Okay, next, core competency in bahasa you can call kompetensi inti. I'm not explain about that. So next, second about basic competency and indicators. In bahasa you can call kompetensi dasar dan indikator. In this lesson plan, I use 3 point of lesson is about Indonesian, art or SBDP, and the last is science or IPA, ilmu pengetahuan alam. In Indonesian, we study about determine the main idea of each paragraph in the reading and write a report on the main idea of the reading. In art, we study about tell the story in the picture and making comics according to the text. Next, about the science, we study but mention the type of muscle movement human. Next, making human movement tool from clay. The purpose of my lesson plan is by observing the picture, students can know the position and posture that is good for the health of the organ of motion with care. Second, by reading, students can find the main idea of each paragraph responsibly. Third, by drawing, students can dig up information from reading to be poured into comic form with confidence. And the last, by discussing, students can present movement organ abnormalities using simple models, props of abnormalities or disorder in human muscle from clay that have been made confidently. Okay. The material of my lesson plans is reading about good posture and posture, reading about movement organ disorder. And the approach and method, I using approach about scientific, strategy is cooperative learning, technique example and example, and the method is assignment, observation, question and answer, and next discussion and lecture. So we are next going to learning activities. In the learning activities, there are 3 kind about, and this is about opening, next about core, and the last about, wait a minute, closing. Okay, next I will explain about the learning activity. Okay, the first is about opening. In this opening, class begin with greeting, asking for news, and checking student attendance. Next, class continue with prayer, led by one of student. Next, students are reminded to always prioritize discipline at all times and use it to achieve goals. And next, singing Garuda Pancasila or other national songs. And 5, the habit of reading or writing or listening or talking for 15 until 20 minutes on non-lesson material such as word leaders, health, hygiene, healthy food or drink, inspirational and motivational stories. And next, uh, we are go to core lesson plan. This is the learning steps from core lesson plans. Okay, next, the first is let's practice. In this lesson plan and or in this lesson steps, teacher reminded again of the importance of maintaining the health of the organ of motion. And this is the picture about the books that I used to teach to my students. And next, let's observe. In these lesson steps, teachers interact in two directions with students regarding student experience related to abnormalities or disorders in the organs of motion and how to maintain and care for them. In this lesson step, student watching YouTube videos of Badanamu about work on our fitness. You can look at this picture. Next, beside that, student can looking at the picture in the textbook. This is the picture. Next, teacher give each student the opportunity to share their own experience. And the next, let's discussion. In the step of let's discussion, students observe the picture and identify the consequence that arise from doing the movement that look like in the picture. And the next step is let's read. Students read a passage. Title is the world's strongest boy brick record. Because my textbook in bahasa, you can call bocah terkuat di dunia pecahkan rekor. And next, the step is about let's get creative. In this step, student will remember the meaning, elements, and various design of comic drawing. To determine students' memory and understanding, the teacher can appoint students spontaneously and randomly to explain the meaning elements and various design of comic drawing. The teacher ensures that students really understand the meaning and characteristic of comic picture. Finish, remember to students to make comic picture based on the reading titled The Strongest Boy in the World Records. Next, to give a different atmosphere, this activity can be done outside the classroom, for example, in the courtyard, art room, or etc. Next, the step about is let's reflect. Based on the question in the student book, students independently express their opinion based on the understanding they have gained during the learning activities. Students can express their opinions according to their daily behavior related to the competency that have been studied. And not its medium to measure how much material has been learned and understood by children. In this activity, more emphasis is placed on student attitudes after studying the material. As a follow-up to this activity, a teacher can provide remedial and enrichment according to the level of achievement of the children. Okay, before that, before I explain about closing, I will back to step about, nah, let's observe. So, in this let's observe, besides children can watch the Badanamu, student and teacher can integrated the material from textbook with videos from Badanamu. This is the point of view in this lesson. So next, we are go to closing step. Students are able to present the result of 2 days to study. Next, teacher provide reinforcement and conclusion. Students are given the opportunities to talk or ask questions and add information from other students. And there is assignment in collaboration with parents. And next, sing one of the folk song to foster nationalism, unity, and tolerance. And the last, greeting and closing prayer led by one of the students. So that is my lesson plan. Next, there is assessment. There are so many assessments in my lesson plan. Next, after assessment, there are remedial and enrichment. Remedial doing by student that cannot doing the task. Next, enrichment is doing student that can pass the task. Next, search and media. They are teaching aids. The first is teacher manual theme first grade 1 and student book is about my textbook in bahasa is buku tema 1, and second is YouTube video YouTube about Badanamu. Third is laptop and LCD. 4 scrap paper. 5 books drawing books, drawing tools, and crayon can other property. Now, in this step, a teacher can reflection how teacher teach with student. I can write about my reflection in this lesson in this form. Okay, and the last is about identity from my principle and identity. It's about mine. Okay, we are back to the first information about lesson plan. I think there is all about my explanation about lesson plan. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry for any mistake, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.